Strip on the inside.
Doing it right now. I think they're too long.
I think they're too short.
I think it's good size.
Common thing for a guy to think it's larger than it is. I pulled up with the cheesiest fucking grin on my face. Look how good Poop Turd looks right now. Like, I was a little nervous that maybe we raised up the suspension a little high, but like, seeing her out of the garage, this looks so good. Now, I can tell Poop Turd's getting a little antsy considering can't really drive her till we get a tune. The struggle I'm running into is finding someone who can tune open source with a JDM ECU. The couple people who can do it, they're booked out for a couple months. So I'm trying to find a shop whom I trust, who can tune Poop Turd so that we can get her driving. She just, look at her, she's like sitting outside, she's ready to go, she wants to be driven. My God, just looking at her makes me want to take her in the mud or something. Alright, I'm gonna go say what up to Jesse. If you guys know of any shops in the SoCal area who can tune open source for a Subaru, maybe not the big guys because they're kind of booked out for a while, comment below, let me know. I think I might have someone lined up though. Hola.
Hey.
¿Cómo está?
Bien, ¿y tú?
Bien.
¿Cómo estuvo la manejada? How's the driving?
Bien, sí. Nice beanie.
Thank you.
What you doing here?
We're doing an STI on this one. This is actually a bug eye, but we're doing a blow by conversion.
Oh, sick.
That's why it doesn't have the face.
So you guys are going full send with this.
Yeah, everything.
Oh, that's cool. This will be awesome to see. Yeah, I gotta be honest, like, that car looks so good.
I think you need a new color.
A new color?
Yeah.
Yeah, guilty. I never thought I would like a raised car, but this looks so good. I'm gonna back her into the garage right now. Not gonna get on her because the last thing I wanna do is overspool the turbo without a tune. So I have something that's just gonna keep adding to this car. I'm excited to show you guys. So in the last video of installing the Rally wheels, I saw a lot of comments about you guys saying how I should get a Rally bar on the front of the Subaru. Well, little did you know, I was already working with Rally Innovations to get something sick. Originally, I'd emailed them about getting just like a little skid guard for the front, and they're like, hell nah. If you're gonna do it, you gotta go big. So I got the ultimate light bar. Let me show you guys. Oh! Alright, let's see this. Whoa, this is the skid guard. This is extremely good quality. Something else really cool that I do appreciate is that they make all these products in the US. This isn't a sponsored video, however, they are collaborating with me on this build. Oh yeah. Dude, I'm glad I listened to them when I was like, I just want like a little skid guard. And they're like, you should totally do the ultimate light bar. Oh my God. I'm also going to be running 4 Baja lights. You can run up to however many, well, up to 4. I'm sure you could fit more, but not recommended. There's definitely a lot of options for lights with this kit. Whoa. I was also originally going to get different lights and they were like, these are the lights you have to get. They're honestly just like super cool guys. And the color I picked is yellow because I thought it'd go really well with the gold wheels. And although I don't really know what color I'm gonna wrap the car yet, I am leaning towards a winter green. Thank you for all your comments below, by the way. I read as many as I could. I'm gonna go back and see what color got voted the most to help sway my final decision. But yeah, I thought yellow would be super cool, and I just like yellow lights. It'll go great with kind of the Rally theme. I'm just getting more and more excited for Poop Turd. Oh, this is the big one. So we're gonna have 4 yellow lights mounted up front. I believe the 2 larger go up top, the 2 small ones go below. I will need to get a new fog light cover. I think I'm gonna run the cover since I have the light instead of just getting the non-cover cover. You guys know what I'm talking about. These directions are pretty straightforward. Jesse's raising the car right now, then we're gonna go ahead and get started. It even comes with a shop folder blanket.
That's good when you don't have one of this.
So we started mounting everything. The first thing we have to do is mount a lower brace on the bottom side, and I didn't see that. And I'm looking at the shipping right now, and it seems that one piece got delayed. So I called Rally Innovations, and they were actually super cool. They're like, yo, you know, don't even worry about it. When it gets in, just ship it back to us. They're driving me up one right now. They're about an hour away from here. That is amazing customer service. I guess in the meantime, we have to cut holes in the grill. We're gonna try and just mount it backwards so that once that the lower brace gets here, it's just plug and play. You know, maybe we even start wiring the lights. This isn't a how-to video, we're just installing a light bar, so please don't treat it like a how-to video. But thank you, Rally Innovations, for just still making this happen. Sucks that the shipping was delayed for whatever reason, but we're making it work. Well, that was easy. Legit one finger, he just pulled the thing off. It's like we're playing a game of chess right now because we're trying to figure out how to cheat the system without the brace. Cool, so we have the skid bar attached to the light bar, or should I say the skid plate. That looks good. That's gonna look really good. So now we're gonna kind of start mounting the lights and start wiring those in the meantime. Oh, that's as difficult with one hand. All right, on go the lights. Alright, I got the fun part for you. The wiring.
Oh, more instructions.
It actually doesn't look too intimidating. I'm gonna finish mounting the other 3 lights. So the game I'm playing with these lights right now is that on the back side, on the inside of this bracket here against the light, you need to slip a washer in. It's like you gotta drop it in and stick the bolt in right as like the perfect speed. Damn it! This isn't easy. Yeah, that's the guy. Thank you. There we go, that worked. Cool, well, I got these 2 big old Baja lights on. Now I'm gonna start doing the little guys. These little guys. What?
It's cold.
It's so cold. You guys haven't heard me complain about the cold yet today. So let me just tell you, it's fucking freezing. 3 down, 1 to go. This is so cool. Oh my god.
I cannot feel my hands no more.
I can't feel my hands when I'm with you. But I love her. Oh, quiet you got a beanie on.
You have more hair than me.
Yeah, hey, sorry, 1 second. I really appreciate you guys coming and bringing that out.
No problem. Hope you guys like it a lot.
Yeah, no, this looks so sick right now already.
I know, I haven't seen it like just mocked up just like that without it on the car, and it looks good just like that.
This looks so good. I'm glad you recommended this over just the skid guard.
Yeah, definitely, because we had it on that rally car, and we thought that you were making a rally car yourself, so
Yeah.
we thought this is the best thing to put on there. Awesome.
Yeah. No, I'm definitely in love with it. This your Subi?
No, this is the shop owner's.
Yeah?
Kind of like his daily driver right now.
This thing's clean.
Yeah.
You guys should just do like a gnarly light setup on yours too.
I know, right? That's what I was telling him. Like, I wanted to change these out with Baja Designs, like their bigger one.
Oh, you guys will do something sick.
Though.
Thank you, thank
Yeah,
you.
swap.
No, not STI. It's the JDM EJ205. So it's the active
okay.
valve control on it. I did the STI swap, but the engine I got was blown, and there's like a whole ordeal behind that.
That's
but
a bummer.
yeah, it sucks. You're making the best of the situation, so.
It kind of sounded like you were gonna get rid of the car too, right?
I was.
And then
Yeah.
you hit us up, and I was like, oh, that's a surprise one. And then number 2, you're still keeping the car and then like continuing on with the build.
Yeah, no, I found Jesse, and then Jesse figured out the whole wiring ordeal, the nightmare that the shop had originally done when I did the STI swap. And then, so we swapped in a new engine after finding out that one was bad. Jesse figured out the wiring issue, fixed that, so now she's running. And I was like, well, I can't just, she's running, I can't just sell, yeah.
Things are starting to fall into place.
Oh yeah. That's my first time stepping back since I've been trying to get everything assembled. Just looking at this from here looks great.
I really respect your stuff. Like, you really get like hands in dirty, like knuckles deep,
thank
like
you.
with your stuff, and then
I appreciate
I respect
that.
your grind too. Like, you've grown so much over the years. Like, it's That's so cool.
I appreciate that. Couldn't do it without you guys watching too, but I guess you watched, so thank you.
I know you have to get going, but can I just get a quick picture real quick?
Yeah, of course, absolutely. Thank you again, guys over at Rally Innovations, for dropping off the brace that we needed. Super grateful, and Sonny, you had some very nice things to say. I was flattered. This looks so good. Of course, Jesse's doing the wiring right now. What we're gonna end up doing is we're just gonna wire it so it's like outside the car. We can just switch it on and off. I have a flight to catch. I have to leave here in 45 minutes. So we're gonna try and get everything mounted up. We'll show you guys, and then while I'm away, Jesse will finish wiring on the inside, and we're thinking about doing the 2 switches right here. So 1 and 2, but that's just what we're thinking. Things may change. Perfect timing, right as I was putting in that last light. So we'll just go ahead and get that mounted up. I think it's starting to rain a little bit. You notice that?
It is. I'm freezing.
Yeah, I guess we'll just get that mounted up, and then that's the light bar. So what Sonny was talking about when he got here about one of their drivers using the crossbar. Oh, that's bright. I just got blind. So rally winner Steve Blunt actually was using this exact bar setup when he was doing the World Cup Rally 2012 for London to Cape Town. That's a 29-day long race crossing 14 countries. This bar held up. Like, this isn't just for show. This is a race bar. All right, let's see these lights. We have power. Wow, you guys. And the lowers? Not quite.
Nope.
No power. Okay, I give up. I'm grabbing a jacket. So, I actually have a flight out to Tahoe. I was telling you guys how I was kind of experiencing a little bit of burnout. And I thought, you know, what better than just to, oh, that's bright! What better than just to take a trip snowboarding. So I am taking the next few days off to go snowboarding in Tahoe because we've been getting so much snow, but I've been busting my ass in order to make sure there's plenty of content while I'm gone in order to not skip a beat. This looks good. And I am able to take a few days and just chill. I am so excited on the Subaru build. It's so funny when he was like, yeah, I thought you sold it until you hit us up. And I was like, yeah, I tried to sell it. Tried to sell her. But I don't know why, I couldn't let Poop Turd go. So this is the crossbar. We're gonna mount this, and then we'll mount it up to the skid plate. My hands are so cold for this.
I know, mine too.
Oh.
Hit you in the eye?
No, I just got dirt in my eye.
Oh. You hit into the metal?
Oh, yes, that's okay. I'll be fine. I keep hurting myself on this car. It wouldn't be so bad if it weren't so cold too. Okay, I'm just gonna lay here for a minute. As my mom would say, rub some dirt on it. It's been raining this whole time and Jesse's windows have been down in his car. Oh, that's sun, I love it. Love it, love it. A little bit of lightning, a little bit of thunder. Comment below if any of you guys are old enough to know what that's from. You know what that's from? A little bit of lightning, a little bit of thunder. Here we go. All right, light bar on the Subaru is installed. Looks great. We're gonna get a wire inside of the hood and around into the window so I can drive and just turn them on and off. I'm gonna leave the car here. Jesse's gonna make it all nice and pretty, and then next time, assuming I can find a tuner, we will do a tune on the car because I'm looking forward to really driving her. God, this looks so, you guys. Like, is this my car? Okay, let's pull her out and see how she looks out and about on the prowl in her wild habitat, a flat concrete surface. What are you smiling at?
It's cool.
Yeah, it does, huh?
I really love it.
Thank you. Let's see how bright they are right there on the Supra. Huzzah! Alright, let's see this in action. Rally Subaru! That is the Rally Innovations Ultimate Light Bar with the Baja lights. This looks like a rally car. What are your thoughts?
I love it.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I think with the gold wheels too, it just went perfectly.
Now you just need like a basket on top.
Yeah, that's what I'm actually gonna do. The basket
And the hitch where you mount the tire.
that'd be cool. I was gonna say change the color, but that works too.
That too. That of course has to happen.
Yeah. All right, well I got a flight to catch. I am going to go ahead and put everything away, park her up, zip her up. We'll touch base on the road. I just want to stare at this car all day. Hey, poop turd. Couldn't get you tuned, but at least I got your face did. So I actually also didn't have time to cut the holes in the grill for the bar and then put it back in. I'll do that next week. I really just wanted to get it up mounted. I hate when I have a deadline of a time that I have to stop at, which I already went over a little bit. But that's because I have a flight to catch. I also have a conference call in about 10 minutes about some exciting stuff that'll be coming to the channel soon. So hustling, getting work done, but I'm gonna be snowboarding this weekend, hopefully with no cell service, and just taking some personal time. But I know you guys understand, Subaru build is coming along quick. It's actually coming along a lot faster than I was expecting, but there's also just been so much positive engagement regarding the Subaru, and I'm just like, I'm excited. We'll get her tuned, we'll get her driving. Yeah, I was 14. When I get back, we'll be cutting open that filter and hopefully, yeah, go do some drifting soon. Don't plan on me to film Tahoe when I'm up there. Keep your expectations low, so in case I do a couple clips, if any, you know, it'll be larger than whatever expectations there were. Thank you, Rally Innovations, one last time. I'll put their information in the description below if you yourself would like to cop one of these light bars, rally bars, any form of bar and or light combination. And lastly, big thank you to Jesse from EJ's Auto. You guys, again, any JDM work, they're located in Ontario. They do great work, highly recommended. You guys, I'm gonna wrap up here. I'm going to focus on driving as it has now started raining and I may or may not be late for my flight. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for all the positivity surrounding the Subaru build. If you guys want to support the channel, there's a Patreon link in the description below, and don't forget to cop some merch. Ecrew, we out here with love. Bye!
So what are we doing today? I can't wait to see what we're doing.
You're a good actor, man. He already knows what we're doing.